In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to extend Zoom meeting time limit. If your Zoom meetings keep ending early, the main thing to understand is that this usually happens because of the plan attached to your account. On Zoom's basic plan, group meetings are typically limited to 40 minutes. So in this walkthrough, I'll show you how to check your current plan, upgrade if needed, and make sure the longer meeting time is actually applied to your account. First, go to the Zoom web portal in your browser. It's important to do this from the web portal rather than only from the desktop app, because your billing and subscription settings are managed there. Once you're on the Zoom site, sign into your account. After logging in, open the Plans and Billing section. This is where Zoom shows what subscription you currently have and where you can manage upgrades. Now check your current plan carefully. If you see that your account is on Zoom Workplace Basic, that means you're still using the free version, which is why the standard time limit applies to your group meetings. If that's the case, select the option to upgrade to Pro. Upgrading is what removes the standard basic user meeting cap and gives you access to longer meetings. Go through the upgrade process and complete it fully. Make sure each part is finished so the plan change is successfully applied. After the upgrade, there's one very important thing to verify. The paid license needs to be assigned to your account. Even if the subscription has been purchased, the meeting limit may not change unless that license is actually attached to the user account that will host the meeting. If you manage multiple users under one account, this step matters even more. Once the paid license is assigned, sign out of Zoom and then sign back in. This helps refresh your account status so Zoom recognizes the updated license. Skipping this can sometimes make it seem like the upgrade didn't work yet, even though it has. After signing back in, start a new meeting. At this point, your meeting should no longer be restricted by the standard 40-minute basic plan limit. With a paid licensed account, meetings can run for up to 30 hours, which is a major increase and much more suitable for training sessions, workshops, team calls, or longer presentations. And that's it. As long as your plan is upgraded, the paid license is assigned correctly, and you've signed back in to refresh the account, your extended Zoom meeting time should be ready to use.